about being happy no matter what happens around us? How about being successful? How about attracting the best of relationships? How about receiving abundance of money? I am sure by now you might be thinking, what is it that I can do to get all of these? Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Archana Rao and I am a laughter yoga and a wellness coach. And let me tell you that all of this is possible just by achieving one thing, and that is self-belief. The reason why I say achieving is because it's very important to know what are your belief system, and particularly self-belief systems. Unfortunately, most of us, we take this self-belief from our parents, from our relatives and from our family members or surrounding, and we assume that this is our belief system. Sounds a little tricky, but let me give you a simple example. In my case, throughout my life, I've seen my parents working 9 to 6 kind of a job, secure job, government job. And throughout my life, I've heard them telling that you need to work hard, you need to work hard to earn money, you need to have a secure job, never think of business. However, I changed that belief system. I believe it's easy to earn money. I believe that business is also a good thing to do. You always don't need to be dependent on a 9 to 6 kind of a job. And that is how I changed it. Similarly, often people have this self-belief based on experiences. I was recently counseling a guy who had failed in business, and he just failed twice. Just because the business didn't bring in the result that he was looking for, he tagged himself as a failed person in business. And he says, now I don't think I'm capable enough to do business. So most of the time when we talk about self-belief, our beliefs are based on our experiences. And the best way to overcome this negative self-belief is to experience situations and things in our life as they are without any judgment. So imagine if this guy, even if he failed twice, instead of having a judgment because he didn't achieve the kind of money and success, he would have taken this as an experience. Learn what are the mistakes he has done and then try the other stuff. It will work. And other sad part is people around him started saying, particularly relatives and friends, that no, business is not good. You will not be able to do. You failed twice. That's the reason why he has taken this as his self-belief system. And trust me guys, most of us go through this. Not just from the business point of view, even if you look at relationships. If you have one relationship which didn't work according to your thought process, we start thinking that okay, this is not for me. I don't know how would be the next relationship. Even before getting into the relationship, there are a lot of question marks. And with those kind of barriers, when you end up getting into this next relationship, you still have those question marks after a period of time. That's because there is always a clash between the self-belief system. If you want to be successful, if you want to be happy, if you want to be joyful, all you need to do is start changing your belief system, which is self-belief. Believe that you have the choice to be happy. Believe that you have choice to do what you want, and believe that you are capable enough to achieve whatever you want. And how do you do it? The biggest question is, how do you do it? Remember the achievements that you have done throughout your life. It could be the smallest of achievement. It is you who overcame those situations. How about comparing yourself to those situations and achievements which you have already done? So maybe one relationship didn't work, but you would have been excellent as a son. You would have been excellent as a daughter or a father or a mother. And you know how good you are into it. So how about believing that yes, you are capable enough to attract the right kind of relationship in your life? How about believing that you were successful in doing certain tasks? So restart the business once again. So all of these, according to me, is self-belief. And further, if you think you need support, there are so many ways of improving your self-belief system. There are so many things that you can do to practice on a regular basis that can improve your self-belief. For me, the journey has been fantastic. I've been an entrepreneur. I've learned and unlearned so many times. But the best thing that you can do is to always experience everything as it is without any judgment and learn out of it. Thank you so much for watching.